So let's learn about the offset tool in this video. For now, let's make some geometries. And then we'll see how this tool actually works. Let's select it from the large toolbar set or use F as the shortcut key. The one thing that you'll notice while you're hovering with your cursor on this face is that there is a small red geometry appearing on every single edge of this rectangle. Let's see what happens if we click anywhere inside the face. So this actually gives you a copy of all those edges. Now you can make an offset inside or outside of the rectangle. You can also create an offset outside of the face. In order to do so, click anywhere on the face again. Just make sure that the tool was still activated. If not, make sure to select it again. And then click anywhere outside the face, and there we have it. The same method can also be repeated on all kinds of shapes. Just click anywhere on the face, and then you can click inwards or outwards. Just keep in mind that don't click and hold on your mouse button while moving with the cursor. It can cause a lot of problems. Now let's undo this all and let's see how we can use the precise offset to make quick exterior walls in SketchUp. Offset this 0,1 meter inwards. In order to do so, just type in the value and then hit the enter key. 0,1 meter is also equal to 4 inches or 10 centimeter. You can push-pull this upwards to create the wall. By the way, you cannot offset single lines in SketchUp. You actually need minimum 2 lines to do so. Let's just pre-select these both lines and then offset it. Just one tip very quickly. If you make any kind of mistake in SketchUp, you can always use the undo or redo button right here.